Hi there, my name's Vince from mymatevince.com, and in this video today I'm going to show you the Nintendo Switch XL using the 1080p 10.5-inch monitor. So as you can see it there, it looks really nice. I'm going to show you it inside in a minute without all the reflections of the sun outside. But let me just show you a bit of Super Mario Odyssey. If you have a look at it there, you can see how nice it looks. We've got the monitor screen, it's around about 10.5 inches and it is full HD, so it's 1080p and it's got a good wide viewing angle as well. And because we've got the switch stuck to the back of this, I'll show you the behind in a minute, it means that it's going to be output in 1080p. Right, so let's spin it around so you can see the back of it, and this is where it does let itself down because of the bulkiness, but it does actually work well. You can see I've got a little stand here that you can put out if you do want to play it in tabletop mode. So what we have is, we have the switch at the very back here. Now it is very much enclosed by things, but there's not going to be any worry about it overheating because it is actually sat on Velcro pads, so there is a bit of clearance there behind it. This case does have the cutouts for the air intake. Then we have this power bank here, outputs 12 volts as well as 5 volts. So the 5 volts is powering the switch dock and the 12 volts is powering the monitor here. And then on top of that we have a little switch dock, which is made by Fastnail, or Fastnail are one of the resellers. It allows the switch dock to work on 5 volts. So we've only got 5 volts going into it, but yeah, as you can see, the switch is docked. Right, and now to get the rails on the side, all I've done is I've used the little metal rails that come with the Joy-Con grip. All we have to do is pop out the USB-C dock at the bottom here, and then we just need to undo these two cable ties here, and you can see the whole thing just lifts up like so, and then we can just pop our switch out of it. Tabletop mode, you can see it would be an advantage to have a bigger screen. So I'm well aware that it's nowhere near as portable as the Switch, because I think the Switch on its own is only around, I think it's about 300 or 400 grams, and obviously this is over 1500 grams, so that's around 3 pounds, 7 or 8 ounces, so it is heavy, but when it's rested on your lap, you don't feel that weight at all, and it is very comfortable. So I'm just going to show you a bit of play now, how you would actually play it. So here we have Super Mario Odyssey, and as you can see, it just looks absolutely amazing. Right, let's show you some other games. Let's go to Wonder Boy. So here we have Wonder Boy, and as you can see, because it's resting on my leg, there's no actual weight on my hands at all, so it is actually really comfortable when you're playing it. Right, I'll show you a bit of Mantis Burn Racing. Right, and let's end on Zelda. There you go, you can see how nice that looks. So there we go. Tell me honestly what you think of it. I actually really like it, and I do think that it is a good usable idea. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and please subscribe for more how-to videos. Take care, bye now.